Hi guys, hey, Dale Walker at Holeshot Performance. We have my 2020 MT-10, aka RIP, over at Galfer USA in Carson City, Nevada. We've been working for a while now. Ryan and R&D and Tech here did their first brake line kit. We've got stainless lines throughout the whole bike. All the lines and any rubber line was completely replaced. There's the ABS unit. You can see all the lines here. So they'll be working on that and have the kit very soon. And today we are back because we are going to install a set of the Galfer Wave rotors. And this is Ryan, and he's pulling the thing apart. We got the wheel off.
The rear off, get rid of this ugly old round guy, and we're going to switch to the lightweight performance wave rotor today.
Yep.
So first step there is to pull this ABS ring off and get rid of this guy.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll get it out, and we'll be back.
Left side here we have the standard circle rotor that came on the Yamaha MT-10. On the right side we have the Galfer Performance Wave rotor, and granted I don't have a scale in front of me here, you know, I would estimate that this Galfer is less than half the weight of this round rotor. So we're talking about rotational mass, we're talking about going faster in horsepower.
And beautiful looks compared to that round pizza.
Tell you what, with performance comes cosmetics.
Very nice. Alright guys, Ryan has it buttoned up on the rear wheel here. The Galfer Wave rotor. I think it looks about 10 times better than the stock thing. And man, is it lighter. So we're going to get this back on the bike and we'll start on the front. Okay Ryan, we got them on there, so what do you think about it?
Well, you know Dale, to be 100% honest with you, I'm pretty satisfied. The Yamaha, the new MT-10s did not come with the Brembo, so it's a really nice thing that we switched from this big old round, heavy, for lack of better terms, unperforming disc to the new Galfer Wave rotor up here, where we got a lighter design. We've got performance slotting as well as the performance wave on it. And then on top of that, we also have the weight saving effect. So,
yeah, full floating. Beautiful fit, the carriers.
Yep, carrier fits right here on the hubs. Sits just perfectly in there, maybe a thousandth or two of clearance. So
yeah, and I like how
nice.
we chose the black buttons for my orange rims. I think
they contrast very nice.
Yeah, it looks clean. This should make a huge difference, guys. This thing, we got the Galfer centered front pads in the front, and the full floating rotors now. So I guarantee you it's going to be huge improvement on braking with this thing. You go for a few heat cycles out on the ride and they just get better and better, and then it's a two-finger deal. It's going to be awesome. All right, well, thanks, Ryan.
Of course, Dale, we're glad to have Holeshot Performance here.
Right on. We'll talk to you soon.